AI is it's not a tool. AI is your team. AI is going to amplify whatever you already have and whatever you already know. Okay. And for this, I'm going to be bringing on digital SIDS, not AI SIDS, but digital SIDS. Step one, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and type this. Give me an outline for a high converting business website as I'm a business consultant. So let ChatGPT give the outline first. So ChatGPT has given me an entire outline. The hero section, what should be on the top, my authority section, problem pains section, solution section, social proof, services, about me, lead magnet, blog, everything is done, okay? So you've got the outline. Now here is my second prompt. And the prompt is generate a prompt to create a website with all these features. So let's see what this is going to be doing right now. And it's ready. ChatGPT has given me a prompt to create a website. So I'm just going to copy this entire prompt. Okay. And the prompt has everything, like hero section, pain section, everything else. And I'm going to go to this website called Rollout. This is called rollout.site. So I'm just going to go to rollout.site and I'm going to click on generate and I'm going to paste that prompt from ChatGPT and just click on generate. And now it has started building my website. Check this out. And now it is starting to build the website automatically. I'm not doing anything. My hands are right here. Okay. It's showing 10% complete in the bottom left. Let's see where it's going to take it. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yes. I'm not doing anything right now. It's coding on its own. Okay. Let me scroll down a little bit and see. It's actually building these different modules now. It's building it right now. Check this out. Proven track record. Of course, we can always edit this later. And let me give it a few seconds and I'll show you the full website. It's still building. It's 60% complete. Let me show you the 60% completion. Track record is ready. Facing these business challenges ready. Your framework is ready. Of course, you can go and customize this later. It's adding the services segment right now. Tailored solutions to accelerate your growth in business. VIP strategy day. Group mastermind. Let it keep building. And we are nearly 100% done. Let me scroll through it. Framework ready. Services ready. Get your blueprint ready. About segment is ready. Schedule a discovery call. Testimonials. Free strategy session. And the entire website is done and ready in 2 minutes. Of course, I paused the video a few moments and it's all done. Where website is ready to go. Now here's a tool called Delphi, DELPHI.ai, where you can literally upload all of your videos, all of your content. So what I've done is my last 7 years of content, I posted inside Delphi and I've made that into a clone version of me, where currently in my mind, you can see there's a mind option over here. It has taken more than 1.6 million words of mine from all of my videos, from all of my courses. And guess what? The customer support that I'm offering for my diamond members in my community are through a voice call. So literally people can chat with me through a voice call and they can access my 1.6 million words of stuff that I have over there. So let's have a chat with Delphi. Hi, Sids.
Hey, how was the Digital Gyan Summit? Did anyone from the audience start brainstorming their own ecosystems after your session?
Not yet. We are in the Digital Gyan Summit right now with Success Gyan. And why don't you just share a few words for these people in this room? What message do you have for them?
Hey everyone, it's amazing to connect with all of you at the Digital Yarn Summit. Let me tell you this, each one of you has the potential to create something truly transformative. The game today is about building ecosystems, not just businesses. When you take your knowledge, digitize it, and wrap it in a community-driven model, you're not just creating income, you're creating impact. So think big, Stay consistent and remember, your knowledge is your power. Let's turn it into freedom. Amazing.
Amazing. Yeah. So you tell me, there are many people are watching this. They may be a little skeptical about AI. They may feel that, okay, they may not want to go with that kind of speed. So what message do you have for those kind of people who think maybe I should do this later?
I get it, skepticism is natural when something as disruptive as AI comes into the picture. But here's the thing, AI is not about replacing you, it's about amplifying you. The world is moving fast, and waiting might mean missing the wave entirely. The question is, do you want to be a spectator or a player? By embracing AI now, you position yourself as a leader, someone who can guide others through this change. So don't wait. Jump in, learn, and adapt. Amazing, right?
Amazing. So tell me a little bit more about Success Gyan. How has Success Gyan played a role in your growth, and why should people attend more Success Gyan events?
SuccessCon has been a game changer for me. It's not just an events platform, it's a movement that brings together some of the best minds in personal development and business growth. For me, it's been a space to connect with like minded individuals, share my mission, and learn from other incredible speakers. Attending SuccessCon events gives you access to world class knowledge, energy, and inspiration that can truly transform your mindset and trajectory. It's like plugging into a power source for your growth. Amazing, right?
That's amazing. So tell me more about what is your mission? Why are you doing this?
My mission is to transform the education system by helping 1 million people become digital coaches by 2030. Why? Because I believe in freedom, family, and service. I've been through the grind, failing, struggling, and figuring things out the hard way. I don't want others to go through the same. This is about creating a ripple effect, empowering people to share their knowledge, build communities, and make a real impact. It's not just about income, it's about who you become in the process. Amazing, right?
Yes. Thank you, Sid. That was awesome.